Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your personal generative AI podcast. Today, we're diving into Simple Gantt, a surprisingly spiffy little project management tool. Think Gantt charts, but without the corporate overlords and cloud dependencies. Exciting, right?
Ooh, I'm intrigued. So no cloud, no installations. How does it even work? Sounds like magic, or maybe just really clever JavaScript.
Exactly. It's all client-side, runs entirely in your browser. You download the files, open Simple Gantt, HTML and boom, you're managing projects. It uses YAML for saving, which is pretty neat.
YAML? So it's like human-readable data storage? That's a nice touch for ease of use, I guess. But what about features? Is it just a basic Gantt chart? Or does it have anything else?
Oh, it's got more than just basic Gantt charts. We're talking interactive rendering, task dependencies, link tasks together so one can't start until another's finished, milestone tracking, the whole shebang. It even handles offline usage, which is a huge win in some environments.
Offline usage? Whew, that's a game changer. So many project management tools are completely useless when you lose internet access. This is a breath of fresh air. But I see a catch. It uses CDNs for libraries, right? So not entirely offline.
You are absolutely right to call me out on that. My bad. It does rely on CDNs for some libraries. But the core functionality, the Gantt chart itself, works offline. It's a compromise, but a reasonable one.
I see. A reasonable compromise indeed. So how about SharePoint? The description mentions it can be used with SharePoint. Is that a common use case?
Absolutely. Many organizations are stuck with SharePoint, and cloud-based tools are often blocked. Simple Gantt can be a lifesaver there. You just upload the files, rename Simple Gantt, HTML ASPX and you're good to go. Mostly, saving directly to SharePoint might be a problem, depending on the setup. You might have to save locally, then upload manually.
Gotcha. Manual uploads. A slight inconvenience, but better than nothing, right? Especially if it's a completely offline capable solution for the core functionality. Sounds pretty straightforward to use too, from what I've read.
It really is. Creating, editing, milestones, it's all pretty intuitive. And, the drag and drop functionality for editing timelines is a nice touch. Hold Shift to adjust duration. Little details like that make all the difference.
Makes me wonder about contributions. Is the project actively maintained? I saw something about limited support.
Yeah, the maintainer is upfront about limited time. Contributions are welcome, but don't expect lightning-fast responses. But hey, it's open source, MIT license. If you're looking for a low-maintenance, offline-capable Gantt chart, this is really worth a look.
Sounds perfect for certain situations. A really nice alternative to the bloated, cloud-dependent options out there. Thank you for bringing this to our attention.
You're welcome. And that's all the time we have for today's episode of Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.